So basically this is a easy crock pot brown sugar ham. Morning guys! So I'm on my way to Target right now. I'm going to get Jameson some big boy underwear. Right? Have you been using the potty? Yes. He doesn't want to wear a diaper now during the day, so he's been naked like every day, all day, the last couple days. But he's been going to the bathroom, which is really good, so I can't complain. So we're going to Target, gotta get some mascara. The tube is dry, you know, so my lashes are looking a little sparse. After that, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and I'm gonna be doing a bunch of recipe videos. Tonight, I'm gonna be making a slow cooker ham. My mom told me a way to make the ham. She always makes it in the, you know, you can make it in the oven, and then at the last 10 minutes, you put the glaze, you heat up the glaze, pour it over. It's really good like that, and I do love it like that. It builds a little crust over it. If you're in a hurry and you have something going on, but you want a ham, you don't want to have to come home and put it in the oven for a few hours, I'm gonna show you how to make the ham in a slow cooker. It's so easy. If you're having a holiday party, or if you're just having a party, this is the way to do it because it's literally a dump and go recipe. It's so easy. Keep watching. I literally need to get a mount for my car because I'm just holding this in my hand, so I'm like, you know, but it's small. I use my GoPro. I don't have a nice big camera. This camera works for now. So eventually, once I start making some more videos and after the holidays, maybe I can have some money to get a new camera. But for now, this is just what it is. Real quick, I don't know if you can really see it, but I just wanted to show you how beautiful these mountains are. We got some snow last night up in the mountains, and it's just so beautiful. You can just see all these beautiful trees on there. I just love it. It's amazing. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I can't even handle it. Real quick, this Target has the cutest stuff ever. The Target in Vegas, I mean, all the Targets I've ever been to, because I've been to a majority of them in Vegas, they are not half as good as this Target. I could literally spend all my money and buy all the clothes. If you guys live in Utah, go to the Centerville Target because it's popping over here. We're about to go in. Ready? Nice. Don't skip the clearance aisle. There are literally really good things in this aisle. I bought this hair gel for Jameson's hair. It works super good, and it's only $2.37. I'm getting, look, this little dry shampoo is only $1.68. I'm really glad that I found these because these are the kind that I use, makeup removing pads. Only $2.24. That's a deal. I'm dying at how cute all this clothes is. Every single thing is just so cute, and I want it. Except for that, I don't want that. So everything's cute. I want to spend money so bad, but I shouldn't, because it's Christmas and I need to save money. I could spend $1,000 easy here, but I'm not going to. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I just got done with the store, and I am going to hurry up and put on this ham. I'm gonna just jump into it. Basically, what I'm gonna start off doing is cutting up the ham into just big chunks and throw everything else into the Instant Pot. I'm gonna just jump into this and show you how it's done. So I'm just gonna start off by opening my ham. So in the ham, when I open it, there's a lot of juice that you can see right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to slice a hole and then just kind of pour the juice into my Instant Pot, because this ham it already has the brown sugar coating on it, so I don't have to do anything, and I don't want to throw that juice away because that's where the flavor is, and you want to add that to your Instant Pot. So I'm gonna cut a hole, dump it in, and then cut the ham. Now I'm just going to take my ham and pour the juice into my Instant Pot. Now I'm just going to cut the rest of the bag. I'm just gonna cut off some chunks like this. And I would just cut this probably one more in half. And just leave it big chunks like this. Just big chunks. So just drop that in. You can kind of break it up if you want to. Okay, so I got most of my ham cut up, and as you can see, it's just in big chunks right here. What I'm gonna do with the rest of this ham, see I still have a big chunk of ham left. I'm gonna keep that fully intact. I'm not gonna cut that because I'm gonna use it. You don't ever want to throw away your ham bone because it literally makes the bombest soup ever. So I'm leaving the ham bone and I'm gonna just put it in a baggie. You can either freeze it or you can put it in the fridge if you want to make it later. I'm gonna make a ham soup out of that in another video. Don't throw it away or give it to someone who uses it because it's a precious thing. I'm serious, it's precious. I just spit. So now that I have my ham in here, I'm going to add I know I added some of the liquid, but a little bit more. I'm gonna add about a half a cup more of liquid. You can use chicken broth or water, but I'm just gonna use water because I'm lazy. So, okay, so now I'm just gonna put a half a cup of water. You just want some liquid in there, so you're not just putting it by itself. Okay. If your ham, I thought I got the ham with the packet, but I didn't. It's already glazed. So if your ham has a packet of glaze, the step now you would do is open up the packet and sprinkle it all into your crock pot or your Instant Pot. And mix it up with a spoon so everything and all the flavors mixed. I usually only use a half of a packet because it's super sugary, but you can use the whole thing if you like it sweet. So dump the packet in right now, and then we're on to the next step. Okay, so once you add your seasoning packet into the ham and stir it after you added your liquid, we're gonna turn it on. She just got a bath. So I'm gonna put it up here and see if you can see it like that. Put the lid on. Leave it the vent open. You want the vent open. So you can use any slow cooker, or I'm using my Instant Pot because my slow cooker is downstairs and I don't want to go get it. So the Instant Pot, and it's actually bigger than my crock pot, but if you have a crock pot, slow cooker, that works totally fine. And yeah. So right now we're going to turn it on slow cook for normal, and we're gonna cook it for, what time is it? We're gonna cook it for normal 4 hours. That's just 5 o'clock is gonna be in 4 hours, so that's just what I'm gonna have it at. Slow cook, boom, and that's it. So it's easy as that, but if you're looking for something that you can just dump and go and leave the house, go run some errands, this is so easy. I really like the way that it comes out of the oven when you have the glazed crust on it, but this way is just so much easier. So if I'm busy, this is the recipe this is how I do it now always, just because I'm so busy, I feel like, with the kids. So I'm gonna let this cook, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when we're done. What's up, you guys? So it's finally done. Instead of putting it on for 4 hours, I only put it on for, I took it off after 3 hours because my kids were really hungry, and it's already done at 3 hours, so as long as it's heated and warmed, it's good. So let's open it up and see what we're working with. And there you have it, everyone. This yummy ham that's just so good. Okay, let me get a couple of pieces on my plate. And I'm just gonna serve this with some broccoli, and then I have these King's Hawaiian rolls. So you can either just eat the ham plain, or I like to make it into little sandwiches on the rolls. So let's do a little test. Let's do the taste test. See, look, it's steaming. It's hot. Mmm. So good. Mmm. I don't know why ham is so good, but that is just fire right there, I'm telling you. Dump and go, easy recipe. Look at all this ham. You can just serve it up on a platter and you're ready to go. Like, how easy was that? Was that good? Was that good? Was that good? She likes ham. Jamison loves ham too. So we're gonna enjoy this ham. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and like and subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more recipe videos. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat my ham. I'm gonna make me a little sandwich and have a good time. Look at this dog right here. Are you begging? Are you begging? You want a piece of your ham? Okay, I'll give you a little piece of ham. Is that good, Luna? Was that good, Luna? She likes it. Oh. Alright guys, till next time, bye! Also, a little tip, if you like yours more, if you like the juice, what you can do is serve some ham on your plate and just drizzle, because there's so much juice in there, if you can see, and that stuff has a lot of flavor. So just scoop up some of the juice, drizzle it over your ham, and that's the perfect way to top that ham.